Class 10, your next topic is triangles, okay? And here what we have to study is similarity of triangles basically, okay? Similar triangles. So children, you're already familiar with concept of congruency, okay? Congruent figures have been taught to you in your earlier classes. So in 9th syllabus also you had congruences of triangle, okay? So congruent means exactly the same, which can superimpose. एक के ऊपर एक आप रख दो तो कोई nothing will be coming out, okay? Exactly it is going to cover up. So congruent if they have exactly same shape and same size. But now what we have to focus is on similarity or similar figures. So two figures they say are said to be similar if their shape is same. Only the shape is exactly the same, not the size. Congruent में shape and size दोनों same होते हैं, exact. Here the shape would be same but the size can be different. Then the figures are said to be similar. Alright. Now obviously from there this fact arises that highlighted here all congruent figures are similar but similar figures need not be congruent. Okay, because congruency का condition क्या था कि size is same and shape is also same. Okay, similarity में shape is same, तो similarity का criteria congruent figures fulfill कर रही हैं. तो we would say if a figure is congruent it would definitely be similar but vice versa may not be true. Figure can be similar but not congruent. Okay, see here they've shown you certain figures. These are all similar figures. See this one, there are two triangles shown to you. So exactly shape देखो बिल्कुल same है, only the size is different. एक छोटा एक बड़ा. Here two squares, right? So this is the meaning of similarity. Next fact important here is two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Second condition, if the corresponding sides are in proportion or have the same ratio. Okay, in proportion means ratio is same. So that is an important fact because we have to, as I said, focus on similarity of triangles. And what are triangles? Triangles are actually polygons. Okay, so that is not true only for triangle itself. It's for every polygon. Obviously number of sides have to be the same. Okay, so if it is either between two triangles or two septagons, hexagons, pentagons, all right, so number of side has to be the same obviously, and along with that it should satisfy this criteria that the angles should be equal, because only if the angles come out to be equal आपका shape similar होगा. But that is not all, we'll see further. Along with that the size should also be in proportion. Okay, so both the conditions should be fulfilled. See, like these figures out here, you can see they are similar. देख के भी आपको अंदाज आ रहा है. And for comparison, they've shown you all the angles of the two figures. See, all angles are going to be equal. Only then, and not only that alone, along with that, the corresponding sides. So corresponding to this will be this side. So it's 2.1, 4.2. Double हो गया इसका. Then 2.4 का double 4.8, 2.5's double 5 and 1.5's double 3. So all the corresponding sides are in proportion. The ratio is same. Each of the side of the second figure is twice of the smaller figure. Only then these figures are similar. Okay, see this another example here. Okay, here what is happening is it's 3 here, 3 here. So 1:1 ratio आ गया. Likewise 3 here, 3 here, 1:1 ratio आ गया. But if you see 3 and 3.5, 3 and 3.5, now these sides do not have the same ratio as the other two sides. Okay, so although the angles are equal out here, see, angles are equal वाला criteria satisfy हो रहा है, but the sides, all sides are not coming in proportion. Okay, so this figure is coming out to be a square and this is coming out to be a rectangle. Obviously a rectangle and square are not exactly same in shape. Okay, so these two figures are not similar in spite of all the angles being equal. Why? Because their sides were not in proportion. So both criteria have to be fulfilled. Children, I will quickly cover up exercise 6.1 also, because that's a small exercise based on what we were just talking, simple one. So quickly let's discuss that. First question asking you to fill in the blanks where they are saying all circles will be naturally similar figures. उनका shape हमेशा कोई भी सर्कल है, यू वेरी वेल कैन सी इट, शेप इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम, बट साइज ऑफ कोर्स रेडियस वेरी करोगे तो साइज सेम नहीं रहेगा. सो वी विल से ऑल सर्कल्स आर सिमिलर, ऑल स्क्वेयर्स आर ऑल्सो सिमिलर. Okay, because उनकी 4 के 4 sides equal होंगी तो some every time the ratio will be coming out same. Then all dash triangles are similar. Which kind of triangles do you think? Naturally equilateral, because in equilateral triangle every time for whichever equilateral triangle you draw the angles will come out to be 60-60 each. Okay, so automatically उनकी sides भी फिर proportion में आती है, like in case of square, right? Then two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. That is your criteria for similarity, very important. Okay, so any two, just now we have already discussed that two polygons will be similar if case 1, condition 1, the corresponding angles are equal. Angles are supposed to be equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. Sides proportional होती हैं, angles equal होते हैं. Alright, then two different examples of the pair of similar figures, non-similar figures, vague type of question, not really important from examination point of view, I should say. But okay, similar figures, like there are so many examples here just now we saw. Okay, squares, all squares are similar, all circles are similar, all equilateral triangles are similar. Non-similar figures, maybe you can quote a square and a rectangle. अभी हमने पीछे example देखा. Alright, so this way you can quote any example. Then what are they saying? State whether the following, okay, these are quadrilaterals given to you, two quadrilaterals given to you, PQRS and ABCD, and we have to tell whether these are going to be similar or not. Okay, now if their sides are in proportion, their sides you see 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, all four sides equal, here 3, 3, 3, 3, 1.5 is double. So each of the side is having the same ratio, right? But the sides are in proportion, that means I can say, but the angles are different. See, here all four are 90 and here you can see one acute angle and another one seems to be obtuse. So these are not similar figures. Okay, next we'll have similarity of triangles. That is what we have to focus on. All the exercises will be on this only, similarity of triangles, and the criteria remains the same, children, because as I said, we know every triangle is a polygon. So whatever was the condition for polygon is for triangle also. Okay, two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides are in same ratio or in proportion. So we'll study this in detail later. So for now this is all, and we'll complete this, and then tomorrow I'll introduce theorems.